The terrorists who follow me around, the corrupt people in law enforcement, they caused it to leak inside my car. That's what they did. What's the purpose of that? The purpose of that is for mold to come inside the car. Because they put mold inside my car. Again, these are corrupt people in law enforcement. These people are killers and murderers. Corrupt people in law enforcement. They're the ones who's doing this. Again, don't take my word for it. Check the news. Go to democracynow.org. Type in the search box cops/and-tires. Cops/and-tires. And there, you will see a news article dated August 11, 2016. August 11, 2016. Read the last paragraph. It shows you how not only do law enforcement follow people for years and years and years, but they're also going around sabotaging people's cars, like this right here. Law enforcement. That's what they do. You wouldn't believe that they do stuff like that. And I have another one for you. Law enforcement making people homeless and getting people fired from their jobs. Law enforcement making people homeless and getting fired from their jobs. Colin Kaepernick, Eric Reed, football players. Google those names. Colin, Colin, Kaepernick. Eric Reed, Ericreid. Now, the law case is called the Socialist Workers' Party versus the Attorney General. You might not remember the whole thing. So what you could do is go to Law and Disorder, lawanddisorder.org. Type in the search box April 29, 2019. Listen at 23 minutes and 40 seconds. You can hear how law enforcement make people homeless by getting them evicted. And they make people jobless by getting them fired. Incredible. And that's what they've done to me. Since I caught them, they kept sabotaging my car. They kept getting me fired, job after job after job. They interfere with my religion. They tell women not to date me. They interfere with me getting a place to live. These people are true terrorists. That's why I keep finding in the news, people are calling cops terrorists. In that article I gave you on Democracy Now!, they were called terrorists. If you Google councilwomen calling cops terrorists, you will find that too. And the word terrorist means to terrorize, to make you afraid. That's what the word terrorist means. Or to force you to do things against your will. In fact, I will leave a link in the notes so that you could check out the information yourself. Democracy Now!, the court case, and the definition of terrorism. I'll leave that in the box description. And also, if you could leave a comment, if you're not being blocked by these terrorists, as to what can I do to them to get them to stop attacking me. These people are killers and murderers.